Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sandy if you're new, and this is just going to be a quick little video sharing what I sent my patrons for the month of August. The theme was like a forest or a walk in the woods kind of theme, so let's get started. So first off, everybody will get some sort of image. This is a vintage book page image, and everybody's is going to be a little bit different, but I thought this was beautiful of the Olympic National Park. So everyone will get an image like this. And then one of the big items that I made for this month was basically, you could call this a journal page or a journal cover, masterboard, however they want to use it. But I had so much fun just building up all the different layers, the stenciling, the adding the modeling paste, and the stamping, and these images. I loved adding these book page images onto here. And then some of the folks wanted kind of a mushroom look, and then some of the others wanted more of a forest theme. So some of them will have these little images on their masterboard or journal page. I had some deer and some squirrels and some badgers and things like that. I'll insert a couple pictures of some of the ones that I also have, but this particular patron didn't want to have any forest animals on theirs. And then the next thing was this lovely tag. This was one of my favorite, besides this, items to make. I embossed both the tag and the fabric, and you can see that there. And then I did want a rub-on of some sort of leaf, plant, whatever, and did sewing around that, and then also sewing around the tag itself. You can see that on the back. And then just added some additional decorative elements. I really love how that turned out. And then since we're kind of heading into fall, I wanted to include just a couple fall little pieces. I think this is perfect to just glue right onto a page, and you have a ready-made pocket, and then you have a little piece. You can either turn this into a tag or journal on it. And then I love this piece of an old tree. So this can be turned into a tag, or it can be made into a pocket. Lots of different options with that. Put that back in here. And then we also have this fun vellum mushroom paper. Like I said, this patron wanted more of a mushroom look than the animals. And then they'll each get a piece of this faux rice paper flower. And then they each get a full napkin of this beautiful, I think it's like eucalyptus almost, rice paper, faux rice paper that I made. And then they'll get one of these little mini journal pages with the flowers on them, and some coffee dyed paper by me, and there's a subtle little pattern on the coffee dyed paper, and of course my newsletter. We'll get that. And then I thought this was just something fun to add in here, is this little pencil. So this is made from 100% wood, and then they've added the lead to the pencil. But I just thought that kind of went with the theme. Say if you're walking in the woods and you want to take some notes or write. And then they'll also get this fun little pocket here, ready-made pocket. And there's two different designs on each side, and each one's a little bit different. And then I also made, I'll get all these out of here. I also made this fun little word snippet. So I stamped forest on there on some muslin, and then sewed around the edges. And then just a fun little tag about the outdoors. And then a deer wax seal that I made. and then a fun little leaf charm, so they could add this to a paper clip, to a bulb pen, to a spine dangle. And then they also got some stickers. So some of the patrons got forest animal stickers, and some got some mushroom stickers. So a super fun little pack. There's so many things that they could do. You could use this to turn it into a journal page. You could also cut it down and make it into tags. You could use the images on the back. They could scan this and use the back side if they wanted to. And then, like I said, here you have several different pocket or tag options. Here's another journal page that they could make, or again, turn that into tags. And then they have this fun journal page right here. And then you can use this for a journal page or tags. And then again, other decorative elements. And then you have a tag. And then this could be a journal cover or a journal page. So it bends very nicely. I'm not bending it for the shipping, but they can decide what they want to do with it. They can bend it or cut it up, whatever they choose. And then they could decorate a page with this or decorate a tag. Same with all these fun little stickers and with the wax seal and with this. So lots of versatility in this kit. And I really like how it came out. And I love all the different items that I made for the kit. So appreciate you all watching. And if you would hit the like button, I would really appreciate it. And I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.